Hi friends, it's Mrs. Rock. Happy snow day! Today we're going to do some snow painting. First, you're going to really want to pack down that snow really well so you have a nice flat canvas on which to paint. So here I am stomping that snow down to make a nice flat canvas. Next, fill each of your cups with about a half of a cup of vinegar, then pour in a generous amount of your food coloring. I'm giving it a couple big squirts, probably 6 or 7 drops per squeeze. Then you can start painting. I've chosen to paint a cardinal, so I'm using some of that red food coloring. I used a paintbrush to paint the outline of my cardinal body, and then I picked up the cup and poured the paint directly onto the snow to fill it in. And then I used my paintbrush to move some of that red snow around to even out the edges and fill out the body a little bit. Once I had pretty much the outline of my cardinal and the basic shape of the cardinal body, I used some pretty dark paint. This was a mixture of blue and red. It ended up kind of having an indigo color. And I'm using that to outline the wing and the face and the beak and the tail feathers and the feet of my cardinal. I used a little bit of white snow to make the eye. Next, I'm using a splatter technique to dip my brush into the green food coloring and vinegar mixture. And I'm just sprinkling it around to kind of give it that feeling of the cardinal amongst some green grass or some green leaves. Another technique you could use is this kind of Jackson Pollock drip painting technique, where you just dip your brush into your food coloring mixture and sprinkle it all around. Or for bigger splotches of color, just throw that paint around. Just take your cup of food coloring and throw it around and make some really big splashes of color on your snow canvas. I just love seeing some of the big splotches and the little drips all kind of mixing together on the snow. You could even pour some of your food coloring mixture into a squirt bottle and have fun spraying the color all around onto the snow. And here you go, amazing! Whether you're painting with your paintbrush or dripping the paint or spraying it from a spray bottle, have lots of fun out there painting your snow. Happy creating!